Is managing money with your partner a spreadsheet nightmare or a source of constant tiny arguments? When my partner and I decided to seriously combine our finances for things like rent and groceries, we knew we needed something better than a shared notes app and endless Venmo transfers. That's what led us to a Monzo joint account, and honestly, it's completely streamlined our financial lives. Based on my experience, here are the absolute best features Monzo offers specifically for couples and joint money management. 1. Real-time, unified transaction feed. This is the killer feature. Every transaction is instantly visible to both of us in the app. And here's the smart bit, Monzo tags the transaction with the profile photo of the person who made the payment. We can see, right away, who paid for what. This kills the "wait, who bought the groceries this week" argument before it even starts. The transparency is total, and it builds incredible financial trust. 2. Shared pots for bills and savings. The pots feature is how we organize everything. We have a bills pot, a groceries pot, a holiday savings pot, and so on. We can both contribute to these, and we both see the balance and the goal. For couples, this is essential for ring-fencing money. Our direct debits are set up to be paid directly from the bills pot, so we know that money is locked away and accounted for, keeping the main joint balance clear for flexible spending. 3. Salary sorter. This is an amazing automation tool. On payday, we both get our salaries paid into the joint account. The salary sorter immediately pops up and asks us what to do with the money. We've set it up to automatically send the fixed amounts needed straight into our bills pot and our savings pots, then send our personal allowance back to our individual Monzo accounts. It automates our entire monthly budget in about 10 seconds, removing all the manual work. 4. Integrated bill splitting/shared tabs. Monzo offers 2 ways to split. If we use the joint card for something, it's already shared. But for those times one of us pays for a shared meal or event from our personal account, the in-app bill splitting is brilliant. We can select the transaction and instantly request the other person's share. If your partner also uses Monzo, it's a single tap to pay and everything is settled instantly. This is super handy for splitting things that don't come out of the main joint budget. 5. Spending categories and trends. Budgeting together can be hard, but Monzo makes the analysis easy. All joint spending is automatically categorized, like transport, shopping, entertainment. We can look at the Trends tab to see exactly where our shared money went last month, helping us spot unnecessary spending and adjust our budget for the following month. It's an objective way to review our habits without playing the blame game. If you're ready to ditch the complicated spreadsheets and bring total clarity to your shared money, a Monzo joint account with these key features is a massive step forward. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.